Wado Ukoko Uyono Urhobo online tutorial. Learn Urhobo language. Wado Uyono Ekru teaching on family. Uyono Ekru teachings on family. Osegwewo, how is your father? Ose father, sorry. Ose father. Ose father. Osegwewo, how is your father? Osegwewo, how is your father? Osemero, my father is fine. Osemero, my father is fine. Osemero, my father is fine. Tivọ Ọsẹ, where is your father? Tivọ Ọsẹ, where is your father? Osemekpada, my father went out. Osemekpada, my father went out. Tivọ Ọsẹ, where is your father? Osemekpada, my father went out. Riemu, my father is eating. Riemu, my father is eating. Riemu, my father is eating. Iruo, my father went to work. 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 Follow us on Instagram. Like our Facebook page, Ukoko Uyono Urhobo. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on LinkedIn. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Urhobo feyono mamo. Urhobo is worth learning. Let me read it again. Ose father. Osegwewo, how is your father? Osemero, my father is fine. Tivọ Ọsẹ, where is your father? Osemekpada, my father went out. Note when two vowels are close to each other, you silent one. Riemu, my father is eating. Iruo, my father went to work. Wado, I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume, Owumi, Oghenenyerhovwo. Wado, Urhobo feyono mamo. Urhobo is worth learning. Because Urhobo working more. Speak Urhobo to your children. Wado.